10, exercise number 6.3, question number 2. Let's see the question. The horizontal distance between two buildings is 70 meter. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building. So the second building is the biggest one. So right is 45 degree. If the height of the second building is 120 meter, find the height of the first building. Let me construct the diagram for this. Let me take it as this is the first building and this is the second building, because the second building is the biggest one, tall one. Why means the angle of depression. Angle of depression means from the horizontal level, the angle of depression is below the horizontal level. So this angle, a man is standing here to see from the top of the second building is top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building. This is the second building seen in the top of the first building with angle 45 degree. This is the horizontal line. So horizontal lines below is the angle of depression. And then the horizontal distance between two buildings. The horizontal distance between the two buildings is given as 70 meter. Let me take it as first building as AB, second building as CD. So if you draw a line here, horizontal line, parallel line, right? Parallel line. This BD is distance of AE. Let me take it as E means the BD distance is equal to AE, and then by the transversal condition, this angle is 45 means internally opposite angle condition, and then this angle is also 45 degree. The total height of the second building is given as 120 meter. Now we want to find out the height of the first building. Let me take it as height of the first building as H means the distance of AP is equal to ED. The height of AB is equal to ED. That is the, so this one H means this also H. Now we want to find out the value of H only here. Let AB be the height of first building and CD be the height of second building. Just we have to use that, we have to mention it which one is that, right? And then the AB is equal to ED is equal to H, and then AE is equal to BD is equal to 70, and then angle of CAE is equal to 45 degree, and then total distance CD is given as 120 meter, right? Now we want to find out the height of this position. We want to find the height of this position means using this triangle. If you want to find the distance of CE means total 120. The distance of CE is nothing but I drawing here another diagram. Here this is the triangle of ACE. This angle is 45 degree. ACE is equal to 30 degree. See, the total distance of C to D is 120. You want to find this means you have to separate the distance of ED. So 120 minus H is the CE difference. So in triangle AEC, in triangle AEC, here triangle is mentioned in a right angle triangle. So see, angle is inclined here, so opposite side and the adjacent side. The relation of opposite and adjacent side is tan theta, the ratios, right? Opposite side divided by adjacent side. Here tan 45, angle is given 45 degree, and then opposite side is 120 minus H divided by 70. Tan 45 is value 1, and then 120 minus H divided by 70. Here tan 45 is equal to 1, right? Then I take this 70 to this side. 70 is equal to 120 minus H. We want to find the value of H. I take this H to this side, we get positive. Here we have 120. I take this 70 to another side, means we get minus 70. Therefore, h is equal to 120 minus 70 is equal to 50 meter. The height of the first building is 50 meter. That is the answer. Thank you, students.